Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make vegetable soup for patients using an easy method. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need about 2 cups of mixed vegetables such as carrots, celery, and zucchini, all washed and peeled. Also, have on hand 4 cups of low-sodium vegetable broth, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, and a pinch of salt and pepper. This simple selection ensures a gentle and nutritious meal for recovery. Now let's get cooking. Dice your prepared vegetables into small, bite-sized pieces, aiming for about 1/2-inch cubes. This helps them cook evenly and makes the soup easier for patients to eat. Next, heat 1 tablespoon of olive oil in a large pot over medium heat. Add the diced vegetables and sauté them gently for about 5 to 7 minutes until they begin to soften slightly. This step brings out their natural flavors. Once your vegetables are slightly softened, it's time to add the liquid. Carefully pour in 4 cups of low-sodium vegetable broth. Bring the soup to a gentle boil, then reduce the heat to low, cover, and let it simmer for about 20 minutes. This allows all the flavors to meld beautifully. Season with just a small pinch of salt and pepper or a tiny bit of dried parsley, keeping it mild for sensitive palates. Your nourishing vegetable soup is now ready. Let it cool for a few minutes before serving it warm in a comfortable bowl. For an extra touch, if appropriate for the patient, a sprinkle of fresh, finely chopped parsley can be added. Any leftover soup can be stored in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 3 days, making it convenient for future meals. Enjoy this comforting and easy-to-digest soup.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.